What's happening? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this beautiful video. So, children have gone back to school today, finally, after the 6 weeks holiday. Bliss. Sage and Frank are back at school. We've got the dog outside. Marie's just about to come out with Charlie. Ted and Shari are working from home. I just felt the 6 weeks holidays. Yes, it's finished. Sage and Frank, you busy little shits, get to school. It is now time to relax a little bit indoors and enjoy what we've created. So, I've got this outdoor kitchen going on at the moment, and I cooked in it over the weekend. And I said to Rhea, I said, when the kids go back to school on Monday, which is today is Monday, we're going to make ourselves some nice steak sandwiches. So I've got one here, nice bit of steak. I've got a couple more in the fridge. And I've got some ciabatta rolls cut in half. Ted's laughing over there. Ciabatta. Ciabatta. And I've got my grill, right? So what I've got is my nice grill. I'm going to use that. I'm going to flame grill some steaks off. And then what we're going to do, we're going to make ourselves a nice little sauce with some infused garlic oil, a little bit of whole grain mustard, some butter, and some actual garlic as well. There's a Ted, yeah boy, and we got some garlic as well. So we're going to get busy. We're going to cook that steak full, and then we're going to slice it up so it goes into these rolls nicely. Now, big boys come. I'm going to probably have to get another steak out, ain't I?
No, Charles put something in.
Have you got something else? What are you cooking out there?
Don't know, chicken?
Chicken. This kid and chicken, man. There's more to life than just chicken. It's all about the gains and the protein. I'm going to make a wicked steak ciabatta sandwich. Flames on. Lovely. Bring that to a nice temperature, just that one side. Burn off all that old crap. That'll be ready in 5 minutes time. We now got ourselves a lovely drop of meat there. So what we're going to do, we'll oil it first. And we can use some of this as well. Garlic infused oil, both sides. And then what we'll do, we'll grab a little bit of salt as well. And we'll sprinkle some salt over the top before we cook it. And we'll season it again when it's resting and when we've sliced it up. That's when we're going to baste it in this beautiful juice. Right, sauce time. Drop of oil, nice. Pinch of salt, bit more garlic in there as well. Nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now what I need to get is my butter and my mustard. So I'll come over to here with that. Nice, nice, nice. We'll use one of them ones. Why not? Because then we can use that to stir. Nice. It's quite hard actually doing like this. One hand. Hold up. Mustard's in, butter's in, work it all together. Butter's got to melt down a little bit, there you go, there we go. And work that all together, beautiful. And this is going to be what we pour on top of the resting steak, yeah? Flavours, baby. Grill is up to temperature, lovely. Grab your steak. Oh, come on. Want to get the crisscross. Crisscross. Everybody clap your hands. Yeah. I think that looks very good to me. That one's resting now. 10 minutes. I'm going to rest that over here underneath my little, what's this called? A net? Yeah, obviously that's called a net, Bradley. But a food net, that's what it's called. So the flies don't get to it. Look at that, bro. Man picked that up for a tenner. Come on, 10 minutes time. I'm going to be slicing that bad boy up. Look at that. Crisped up, lovely, beautiful, toasted ciabatta. Ciabatta. My baby, she has been resting. The boss lady's here now. Taste test. I'm going to nick that bit off there. That's chef's treats. later on. Look at that juice as well. Oh, come on. Come on. All them juices coming on, brother. And then make my wife a lovely... Coming up to the bar, yeah?
Service, please.
Service. She's there, mate. Make you a nice steak sandwich. On ciabatta.
Thank you.
Make that there, but this ain't finished just yet.
But that looks nice, what's that?
Yeah, that's for the chef. Yeah? Keep your eyes off the prize, beautiful. So, there's our bit of steak. Lovely.
Oh, look at that.
That's succulent, beautiful bit of steak. Cooked to perfection. Cooked. I've got another bit on the steak in the background. So there's our honey mustard, butter, olive oil, garlic infused olive oil, a little bit of salt.
That's a new one for you.
It's like a dressing. Exactly. Try something new.
Yeah.
And that is a nice dressing with all them meat juices.
Yeah, put your fork on that.
Like that there. Yeah? And then what we do, we bring over ciabatta. Hey Ted. We lay that in. Yeah?
Well, that's a sandwich, isn't it?
That's a proper sandwich, mate. And that's nice.
Look
Like
at that.
And we bring that over to there. And then we just cut that. Fish wash bash. Dry my hands. Let me flip the camera.
Are you going to make that? Can I try it?
You can try it. Ciabatta.
Ready?
Go on. And I'll try this one. Beautiful.
Come on.
Oh, that dressing is lovely.
Mmm.
Very nice.
That good. Man, put a second bit of steak on the grill already. Try it. Give it a go.